more safeguards to protect kids online. State lawmakers, legal scholars, and online safety advocates testified before the Senate Judiciary Committee today, discussing ways to boost safety protections for children online. The National News Desk, Jeff Harris, joins us. Jeff, several topics I know were discussed today, ranging from strengthening those protections to addressing legal gaps. What more can you tell us about the witnesses?
So 5 witnesses, including a parent survivor, testified earlier today, Didi, discussing the inappropriate use of artificial intelligence, adding more federal regulations, and reforming a section of the Communications Act which protects social media companies. Members of the Senate Judiciary Committee calling for sweeping changes during a hearing Wednesday morning, demanding more gets done to protect children online.
The National Center for Missing and Exploited Children receives 100,000 reports to its cyber tip line every single day.
It is only in the virtual space that it remains the Wild West.
Among those testifying, Representative Brandon Guffey, who lost his son to suicide in 2022 after being contacted by a predator online.
We quickly learned that Gavin was contacted on Instagram around midnight, in which he told his friends that he would jump off the game to chat with her. In just 1 hour and 40 minutes, my son was gone.
Megan Griffin, an analyst for the National Center of Sexual Exploitation, was at the hearing today. She says lawmakers discussed social media accountability, adding federal regulations to online platforms, and exploring how AI is being used to extort children.
Our kids are being harmed at an unprecedented rate, with 36.2 million reports to NCMEC last year.
Another big focus, reforming Section 230 of the Communications Act, which Griffin tells us protects social media companies from abuses committed by third-party actors on their platforms.
Victims' rights lawyers are not even able to get to the discovery phase to see what's underneath the hood.
Now, during today's hearing, Senators Dick Durbin and Josh Hawley also announced the reintroduction of the Stop CSAM Act. It would allow victims of child sexual abuse online to sue companies that continue to host the material. Reporting for the National News Desk, I'm Jeff Harris.